안녕하세요. Hi, this is tennis coach Dean. I'm gonna share 5 common mistakes on one-handed backhand. First common mistake, you cannot create power like this. We can generate more power by back foot. Back foot means that when we throw the ball, we are better to set up behind the foot and then transfer weight like this. On one-handed backhand doesn't have a power like two-handed backhand. That's why if the ball is here, place your back foot behind the ball and then step in, go. When the ball comes to further, find the ball back foot and transfer weight like this. So make clear, place your back foot behind the ball like this. Second common mistake, you frequently hit the ball to the net, hit the ball out. Many players hit the ball out net because they hold continental or eastern backhand grip. So this is the traditional one-handed backhand grip. But if you use this grip, you might control like a slice. The solution is that changing the grip from 0.5 to 1 point. If you change the grip like this, you can contact the ball flat with strong angle like this. But if you hold continental, you have to contact flat with weak angle like this. That's why we shift the grip 1 point or 1.5, this. And then control. Third mistake, you hit the ball without balance and power like this. You don't have the balance because you don't utilize your non-dominant hand. So some players do like this, some players like this. But this is the key. I mentioned it before, opposite pose based on ITF biomechanics. So if you use a non-dominant hand, you can generate more power and then you can balance like this. How to do? Make a go fast move by non-dominant hand, backswing and drop by non-dominant hand, swing forward initially, swing forward little bit together and then release and pose like this. So we call it opposite pose. Your racket go to side, your non-dominant stay here. First mistake, you cannot control like this. I understand you hold eastern backhand grip and then continental grip. You all time push the ball. So sometimes you control well, sometimes you cannot control. But if you change it to 2 point, you can brushing up. So as a good player, sometimes brushing up like a forehand, sometimes pushing like a two-handed backhand. But mainly on two-handed backhand, you drop the racket, contact and brushing up and cover the ball like this. Fifth mistake, you cannot handle high ball like this. Many people get struggle with high ball because they hold the continental and eastern backhand grip. So it means that they cannot contact high ball this. So this wrist angle is very weak, and then if you get strong angle with this, the contact point is up. That's why you cannot control high ball. But if you hold 1 point or 0.5, so you can contact the ball this and then cover the ball. If you want to control high ball, shift the grip 1.5 and 1 point and then close racket face contact and then cover the ball like this. And then also if you want to hit the ball flatter, racket head up and then swing to parallel. We call it side spin. But I prefer to close racket face and control the ball like this. I share the all common mistake and solution. If you understand, you can correct it. So let me summarize. Hold the grip 1.5 or 1 point to add more spin. And the second one, use non-dominant hand. Backswing, drop, and swing forward together and balance. And then last one, set up back foot behind of the ball. And then on high ball, you are better to contact close and cover. Also, you can contact little platter and then swing to parallel with side spin. I understand you hit one-handed backhand quite a long time, but if you change the grip and then follow my instruction, you can improve hugely. But initially, your muscle memory give you feel uncomfortable. So please practice by yourself over and over again. Finally, you can get improved. Please utilize and give your feedback. If you like this video, please subscribe, share, like to my channel. Thanks.